That's what that is. See them all coming out of the grass? All the turtles.
Wait, where's the turtle?
Right in front of us. There's a couple of them. A couple big mullet. I sure hope that grass makes it all the way out to the river.
Oh, I see one.
Yep. See them?
A turtle!
Don't look much like eelgrass. Looks like pond scum right now.
Aw, a turtle. How are we going to get
We're going to get them with that net. Alright, guys. We just got some dead shrimp. Putting them on bottom out here in this. I don't know if they're individual springs or if they're just deep holes out here in this river. But I just caught a striper. So I'm hoping that there's more in here. Me and Buddy was just over there playing in the water, and I was casting a dead shrimp and caught one about 14 inches long. So we moved out to the deeper water, and we're gonna give this a shot. That and put some chicken legs down for some crabs. What you think about it, Buddy? Good with it? Nap time? Might be nap time. Get him, Buddy. Reel him up. Ooh, he's a good one. Get him out of the trolling motor. Get him away from the trolling motor. What you got? What you got? Reel him up.
What?
That's a good one. Reel him up. Reel.
Can you help me?
No, you got him. Reel. Keep on reeling.
I want help.
You need help?
Yeah.
All right, here. I'll help you. That's a big one, buddy. Wonder what that is. I bet it's a striper. Oh, check that out, buddy.
What is it?
A croaker.
Croaker.
Yep.
I just.
You hear him? Oh, croaker.
Are we going to keep him?
Yeah, he's good eating.
That's like how he makes a noise.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, how does he make that noise?
I don't know. He just grunts. That's cool, ain't it? Sweet.
Maybe we should get some more.
We might.
That is actually really cool how it clunks like
That's
that.
cool, ain't it?
That's why I want to know why it clunks like that.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he bite me.
Ow. If I see the blood.
That's a good croaker, too.
Hey, what isn't those little things where you see some red
Yeah.
things?
Mm-hmm.
And on top of them,
Yeah. They're kind of like a.
they look like teeth.
They're kind of like a smaller redfish, like you caught yesterday. Pretty cool, huh?
Well, I got the biggest redfish.
I know you did. All right, let's try him again. That'll wake you up, won't it, buddy?
What?
So that'll wake you up, won't
What?
it? He's grunting at you. He said, "Let me out."
No.
Nope.
I'll let you get the next one.
Okay. Well, you can catch them all, buddy.
Get out the next one. And I'll get the other one. It's like a battery.
Close that cooler, buddy. Don't want all our ice to melt. Rawr. Here you go, buddy. Get him.
That's
Get him.
my fish.
Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, buddy. Woo, that's a good one. That's a good one. I wonder what that is. Did he come off? Oh, he came off. Dang. All right, we'll try him again.
And he took our.
And he got our bait. That's terrible, ain't it?
What happened to it? We got stuck to the boat.
Stuck to the boat.
Thanks. Might be right over here.
Okay.
At least not in the water.
Oh, he bent the hook. That's what it is. We might have to put on some heavier hooks. Might be dealing with some bigger fish, buddy.
Everybody likes my fishing pole. Are these fish? Like, I don't know, that like some beautiful spring. Hey, Dad.
Hey, buddy.
How do other fishes talk to another fish?
I have no idea.
Cause I know that how croaker did.
They probably blew bubbles at each other and count the bubbles. I don't know, buddy.
Oh, you're correct. Well, maybe the croaker does different things, like
Maybe they sniff each other's butts like dogs.
no. We could do
Well, I don't know.
this.
I'm just spitballing, that's all.
Well, what this croaker does to talk, it says croak.
Just croaks, yeah.
Other fishes
Whoa, bruh. Here. We about lost that rod. Get him, buddy. Get him. Get that thing. That's a good one. Get him, buddy. That's probably a striper. That's probably a striper right there. Yes. Oh, another croaker. Good croaker too,
That's
buddy.
a good croaker.
Good job.
Hey, croaker.
Give me 5.
He just said hey.
He said, hey. He said, don't put me in that cooler. But that's exactly what we're going to do. It's croaker for supper tonight, ain't it, buddy?
Mm-hmm. Maybe all that is here. It says croakers that we could catch.
Yeah.
This way.
Plenty of croakers. I'm happy with that. Close him up.
Now he won't jump out.
That's right.
Because he could like jump into the water.
That's a good croaker too, buddy.
At least we catch a lot of croakers, because with this big cooler we could catch a lot of them.
Yes, sir.
But we do not know how much is in here.
Nope, sure don't. But I hope there's a bunch.
And we could like catch all of them. Or maybe we could have a fish sandwich.
Ooh, nice.
Or if we catch a lot of crabs, we could have a crab sandwich.
That's right. Now you're speaking my
Or just
language.
crab sandwich, or just fish.
Yeah.
Whatever or that you could make up, we could do it.
Ooh, big bluegill. Here, swing him over here. Over here. Over here. There you go. Big bluegill. Good job. Give me one.
Now we hopefully get something that ain't a croaker again.
Yeah, that's a good bluegill. That'll go with the other one you got.
Yep, where is that one?
It's in the cooler. Where he belongs.
Well, what happened if we get another different kind of fish?
I don't know.
These.
We'll have a good buffet. We already got a good buffet going on.
What about that one?
Huh?
What about this one?
What about what one?
That's by the ice.
By the ice? That's our other bluegill. We got 2 bluegills and 2 croakers so far. That ain't bad, is it, buddy? Crabs are still kicking our butts, but hey, we're gonna get them too.
We're going to get a lot of crabs.
Yep. We're gonna keep trying.
Well, Dad, when are we going to catch a crab?
I don't know.
I'm just scared of the fish. What fish?
Rawr, 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 rawr. Big fish, big fish, big fish. Oh, he come off. Dang. He come off, buddy. That's all right. You might want to pay attention to your rod up here.
Wait, why can't you not just get him?
Well, yeah, I'm going to reel him in.
And so you get to reel in too.
Oh, you want me to reel some in?
Uh-huh.
Well, I appreciate it.
Because I reeled in too, you can reel in too.
Okay. Sounds like a deal.
And if we could, like, get a crab, hopefully we could try to get a crab.
Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Being a monkey? Oh, man. Oh, no.
What?
Oh, man.
My favorite.
That was gone. See, we was messing around. Golly. Dang it. That's the second pole in 2 days that's got snatched off the front of the boat from us not paying attention. Buddy, that was probably a big one. Daggone it. Man, I can't win.
Well, you can win all these fishes.
Yeah?
Well, the crabs pull off easily. Think we got a crab.
I think we do.
We do. Dad, get him.
I'm scared this other rod's gonna get snatched off the boat again.
Hey, okay.
Reel him slow, 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 okay? Nice and slow. I don't think, he might not be on there. Nope, he came off. He came off. Dang, man. Here, drop him down to the bottom.
That's why you have to lift him.
I can't believe we got the daggone rod stole again.
So that's actually mine?
Yeah. I have to buy you another one.
Yep. At least I can pick it out.
Right, buddy. Right. Here. Get him. About lost another one.
I thought it was yours.
Oh, it don't. If you want me to reel him in, I'll reel him in. Okay. Thank you, buddy.
Okay. You get 2 turns.
Okay.
Remember that.
Ooh. He's on fire. Ooh, another big bluegill, Briar.
Okay.
Big bluegill. Good deal.
So we got 3 bluegills and 2 croakers.
2 croakers.
They're just so
In the box. Close it up.
keep on splashing. Don't like it.
We don't want them to get out.
Or maybe this cooler would fall out.
Yeah.
But not have any snacks
That would not be good.
or any soda. Or any fish. Just I catch a live whale. Well, actually, why can't we not just put them fish in the live whale?
Cause I mean we got the cooler. We'll just put them on ice.
Yeah.
This is big, whatever it is. Hey, will you reel up this other pole real quick?
What is it?
Reel this pole up. It ain't got nothing on it. I just don't want it to get tangled. Yep, reel it up, buddy. Oh, big catfish, looks like. Yep, catfish. Good channel. Oh. You got it, buddy? Reel it up. Reel it up. Oh. Catfish. Yeah. Look at there. A good little channel cat. He'll go good with the ones we caught the other day. See? You should have grabbed it.
Well, now can we go some swimming?
Just a little bit. I gotta put my shoes on. My feet are hot.
Yeah, that's why I want to go swimming.
That's what we need to do, buddy. We need to come back and go mullet fish.
Yep.
If I'd have been thinking right, I would have.
Maybe they do not have any more crabs than just one.
I don't know. If I'd have been thinking right, I'd have brought some sand mesh. But I didn't think about it.
But you need to.
Yeah, I know. Look at that turtle. Big old turtle.
Yeah.
Swimming along the bottom. There's another one.
Oh yeah, turtle.
Never in my life seen so many turtles. Which I guess probably because the water's clear and you can actually see. Alright, y'all. We changed up tactics on them. What?
Guys, see? Watch.
We put the old chicken leg on the rod. That way we could send it out in the deep hole. Because they are not wanting to be shallow today. So we got a good spot where we can swim, we can crab.
And go fishing.
And do what?
Fishing.
That's right. There's a bunch of bluegills right here. We fitting to tear them up, hopefully. He's a big one. Get him, son. What do you think it is? A striper or a brim?
A striper.
I hope so.
Which was it?
Reel it. We'll find out. Here, reel. Reel him up, buddy. Ooh, look like a big brown. Look like a big brown. Yeah, big brim, buddy. Here, bring him here. Come here. Look at that. That's a big one, man.
Easy.
Good job.
Well, when are we going to get those crabs?
I don't know. Hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. I'm ready. Here. There we go. Now, whenever we get a crab on, I'm gonna reel him up. Ooh, look at that big old brand. That's a good one. You gonna keep him or let him go?
Keep them.
All right, we're keeping them, y'all. Fried fish coming up.
How can you move faster?
Because I'm taller. Watch out for that anchor, okay? Slow. Come on, slow. 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 Nice and slow, okay? Oh, he got off of it. He got spooked.
Get him.
Come on, buddy. We'll go get him.
I'm ready to get that crab.
I'm ready to get him too.
Crab is good. Mr. Crab Tab.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go, Bubba.
Hey, what are you doing? You get out of here, you dirty turtle. That was a bit.
Dad, you scared me, and I thought it was an alligator.
Oh,
What was it?
Well, y'all, that's it. We had a pretty good day. Come out here, we caught some croakers and some bluegill, catfish. We didn't get no crabs, which is what we came after, but it was still a good day. So Buddy's about to war slam out, so we did some swimming and some fishing, and we're going home now. So I appreciate y'all watching, and thank you.